It's not soda pop, it's beer.
You're about out of Coors.
Watching him every moment, wondering what he's going to do next.
Hold it. Am I obnoxious?
No, Alf, you're not.
Good.
Here you go, Bri. Bring the plates.
In fact, I think that she loved me too much.
I'll get the rest of that later. So what's for dessert? Delicious meatloaf, Kate! Best I've ever had!
Listen, if you ever find the wedding cake, save us a piece.
Wasn't that the strangest thing? The whole cake just disappearing like that?
Alf, the president has a lot of serious problems.
Don't you think he's a little rude?
Not particularly.
What are we gonna do with all those leftovers?
Play Guess the Belch.
Roast.
Oh, Lord. Please tell us why you continue to place such ordinary people in such extraordinary situations. Never mind.
I come with a peace offering. You want a flower?
No.
Good.
Are you eating again?
No. Still.
Somehow we've gotten used to it. Sort of.
Nah, I think it's Kate's potato salad. I've had problems with it before.
Just hurry up.
Whoa. That'll teach me to eat film before going to bed. Yeah. You know, if you eat fast, you could eat more.
Yeah. It also adds to the ambiance.
I know.
You know, he has 8 stomachs. This could take some time.
Come over here, you lug. Thanks. You moved the bubble. Catch you around town, bro. Oh, yeah, thanks.
Does it hurt very much?
Only when I burp. Ow! Ow! Oh. He never learns. Ow! Ow! Oh! Duh, 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 duh. Ow! Oh! Ow!
You feel better?